AP Calculus student athletes and teens participating in extracurriculars are probably drowning right now because, unfortunately, the course in a way punishes students that can't dedicate hours and hours of studying each night. Now, I've been tutoring this course for over a decade, and what I know is calculus isn't designed for teens that have packed schedules, but these are the students that are typically taking the course. I know you all don't have unlimited time to be rewatching lectures, figuring out things in the textbook, as well as trying to figure out how are you going to plan for your next quiz, but for all of your AP classes. So parents, if your teen is juggling sports, leadership roles, as well as multiple AP classes, then having extra time really doesn't exist for them. And for a lot of those students, what I know is that they're probably falling behind right now in the course because there are a lot of core concepts that they probably just didn't have the time to grasp. So if you're a student that's taking the course right now, or parents, if your teen is taking the course, what I typically say is right now is a time to prioritize their understanding over completion. Because spending 30 focused minutes working one concept will always beat your teen rushing through their homework assignment just to get it done so that they can move on to the next thing. I would even encourage them to identify 2 or maybe 3 concepts that they've struggled on throughout this semester and then utilize this winter break to get a head start. So that's just practicing a few problems each day, or just pick some days that make the most sense for yourself. Now, I do encourage teams to utilize the winter break to get a head start because I believe that this is the best time to get the quality studying time in that they probably didn't get when they were in the semester. So if you or your teen would like to have a clear assessment to know exactly where their gaps are at right now, then shoot me over the letters AP and I'll send you and your teen that free assessment. But more importantly, I'm willing to offer you all a free strategy session just so that we can get a step-by-step plan to help your team fill in those gaps going into the winter break. See you inside.